What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over Wednesday's game plan. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you can stay on top of these dynamite plays that I'm throwing out. If you're watching the video, you jotting down this information that I'm giving out, you're going to be profitable once you see these areas get taken out. Before we jump into the tickers, I want to kick this one off by showing some love to Girl Wonder. Said, D Fresh, thank you so much for the call out on SBET last night. Stuck to the plan, hit my profit target plus $5 and got out of there. Easy money. We appreciate you so much. You are truly the guru of the daily plays. Boom. Check that out. A nice little profit of $105. Man, that is awesome. In this play right here, you was able to get calls, didn't break the bank, and made money. I love it. I am super duper proud of you. Keep doing your thing. Champagne bottles in the air. Stay grinding. This is good stuff. So newbies, beginners, where y'all at? First ticker out of the gate is going to be SBET, same ticker that Girl Wonder made money off of. Let's go ahead and dive into it. If you see with this one, they are sitting at 28.30. Now, this is one that, again, will not break the bank, and you can make good money off of this ticker. This one has the potential to rocket to the upside. If you are a bull and it's knocking out key areas of interest, you can make tons of money. But as well as the downside, they give you both moves. Those are the tickers that you love, that give you the nice press forward and then coming back down. Learn how to play both sides. That will make you a dominant trader. Let's go ahead and see what they're trying to do. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open higher than this area right here, 29 even. If they can do that, you got an area of interest at 29.80, and then next level up, boom, you got 30.70 on deck. They hold that. You got this area of interest at 32.05, another area of interest at 32.55, and then boom, you got 33.65. Now, they got a little turbulence that they got to get through at this 34.20 area. They'll probably start pulling that thing back, but if bulls really want to pump this thing, they can boom this thing all the way back up to this $40 range. So again, this is a sleeper ticker right here that people sleeping on, and they missing out on tremendous gains in either direction. To the downside, if you are playing it that way, you want to see them open lower than 26.90. If they can do that right there, next level down is going to be this stuff up in here at 26.10, and then boom, look at this area right here. You got 24.75, but respect that level if you seeing it play to the downside. I draw my line right there. Look what happened every time they ran it down. People ask me all the time, hey Fresh, how do you determine what's a bullish demand zone? Look at the drop. They came down to this area right there. They boomed it back up. They ran it right back to that same area. They boomed it back up. They came back down. They boomed it back up. So in my mind, that's a bullish demand zone. Innocent until proven guilty. That means every time they got to that area, the bulls had a response and they got their chance to boom it back up to the upside. So again, if I am playing puts and I'm running that thing down, I'm getting out before that area, or I'm leaving some stragglers in there to see what's going to happen after, because they very well can break through. And if they do, that next area of interest is going to be at 23.10 and routes to some lower stuff. There you go in that ticker right there. Next ticker up is going to be for the advanced traders. Y'all come on up. Family, I put this ticker out last week in one of my videos. Keep your eye on ticker symbol Z, Zillow. I said, man, they have the potential to make a move. They were sitting somewhere around 75, 76 bucks. I put a price target of 81.35. We are almost there. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than our price target of 81.35. They can do that. They're going to start running this thing up much higher. So to the downside, what you want to see is a open up of under 79.95. If they can do that, next level down, boom. boom, you got 79.45. Next level after that, you got some turbulence at 79.25. Next level down, you got 78.90. And it's just choppy after that. Probably give you a nice little chop back down to 77.45. There you go. And that one to the downside. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol CRWV. And this one, they're sitting at 129.70. To be honest, this ticker haven't made up its mind what it want to do. I mean, it's coming down and it's trying to sniff some key areas to the downside. And that's why I don't think that they're done dropping. They give us some good run-ups and then they drop right back down. So if you sniping this play, because they give you good scalping sniping plays throughout the day, you want to see them open higher than 132.35. They can do that. Next level up is going to be 134.35. They break through that. You got 135.05 and routes to boom. You got 138.94. Me, I'm not interested in playing this one to the upside unless I can catch it all the way at one of my demand zones or until they start closing above 147.10. If they can do that, that leads me to believe that they're going to start running this thing up much higher. However, if I can catch this thing low, then I have no problem with scaling in, trying to ride that thing up. So if you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than 126.40. They can do that. Next level down is going to be 124.80. Then you got this heavy area of interest right here, 122.10. And family, I caught these downside levels as well, but they're tapping into some low stuff. So that leads me to believe that since they didn't get all the way there, they still want to come back and tap into that 120.50 area. Next level down is a heavy level of interest, 115.45. So in these two zones right here, I start my position in there back to the upside because I'm sure, man, once they tap into this bullish demand zone, the bulls is going to go crazy and that might start the trip back up to the higher stuff because, again, this one got some field power and once they get booming to the upside, this one is going to knock the socks off the place. These are areas of interest for you to pay attention to, and that way, once you start seeing them, you know how to react. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a couple for you. First ticker up is going to be the SPY. And this one, they're sitting at 629.80. If you are a bull, what you want to see is them open higher than this 631.60. If they can do that, they can start trying to push for new highs. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 626.20. If they can do that, they can start this trip back down to the downside. You got 624.80. Next level down is going to be 622.60. And then boom, you got 621.05 in play. So there you go in the SPY. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. All eyes will be on this ticker tomorrow. If you are playing this, understand the assignment. You are capitalizing your profit before the market close. They report. You do not want to be on the other side. It could work out for you, but it may not work out for you. Can your portfolio handle that type of abuse? If you even got to think about it, that is more of a reason for you to capitalize and take your profit before that market close. So you see what happened. I had a play out there. I said 335.30 was going to be a heavy area of interest for them to be able to get through. And you see, that's what happened. They tapped into that zone and man, they consolidated right there, couldn't take it out. And then they start dropping back down. They still at a key area of interest right now where bulls can still run this thing back up to the upside. And family, for you guys that's rocking in the Discord, I said bulls at a important level, holding here, they can push this thing up to that 335.30 level. And I even capitalized this heavy level. So anybody that was in calls, that was your chance to nibble some profit, take a little bit, because these heavy levels, they can either consolidate right there and boom to the next one, or either bears can get back and start getting busy trying to drop that thing. You see Tiger slapping that hat down, you already know we hit the 335 target. I said Wall Street is trying traders' patience. Not mine. I knew where they were headed, but I also let you know, I said bulls will struggle here for a bit. They need to push through this 338 wall, which means after they got past 335, they are in a supply zone, which means the bears can keep pushing that thing down. You got a whole bunch of bears in this area right here, and they're fighting. They ain't gonna give it to the bulls. Bulls want to pop this thing up to 343. Bears ain't gonna make it easy. If it was easy, we all be millionaires, man. But you got to have patience, trust it. If you plan Tesla, your stop loss probably got to be a little wider out. You got to study Tesla because you know on their down moves, they can be really far down, and then all of a sudden, boom, they can knock the socks off of it and start flying out of nowhere. You have got to build a plan specific for Tesla when you plan in that arena right there. But I said levels to get through, consolidating above 335.30 as follows: 336.65, 338.05. I said it's turbulence from 338.60 and then boom, we got to run to 343 in the works. If we take it back to the charts, we see that's exactly what they did. But if you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open higher than this 335.30 area. If they can do that, next level up is going to be 338.50. They can consolidate above this thing. Check this out. Boom, you got 347.30 in play. Next level up, boom, you got 350, 345. So this one could really start getting busy. We might get a glimpse of it tomorrow, but if they don't show it to us, we know it's going to be a lot of craziness tomorrow when the market closes after they report. So again, key takeaways from Tesla: expect the volatility, be greedy with your profit, see profit, take profit. Do not sit and play games in this one. To the downside, what you want to see is them open lower than 329.30. If they can do that, next level down is going to be this stuff in here, 327.35. Next level is going to be 325.60, and then boom, you got 323.25. Next level down, you got 321.40, and then boom, you got 317.90 in place. So again, these are areas of interest for you to put on your radar throughout the session. That way, once you start seeing these key areas of interest taken out, you know how to move. Guys, we got an interesting day ahead of us. Stick to your game plan, apply patience, and let's get it. But I done took enough of your time. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.